Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn your WhatsApp tips and tricks. I would like to show you how to change chat wallpaper in your WhatsApp. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to open your WhatsApp application and then click on the top right corner three-dot icon. And then select on Settings. And then they have option wallpaper selected and then select chains. Right now you can find some option like bright, dark or solid color. You can select any option like. I simply select light and then you can choose your own color which one you just want south. I select this one and then select set wallpaper. So that's it. Right now, chat wallpaper already changed in your WhatsApp. Next, I would like to show you how to restore default wallpaper in your WhatsApp. Click on the top right corner three-dot icon. And then select on Settings. Right now is called down and select Chats. And then select Wallpaper. Right now there have the option Change. Select it. And then there have an option Default Wallpaper selected and select Set Wallpaper. So that's it. Right now default wallpaper already set to your WhatsApp. Third, I would like to show you how to enable security notification in your WhatsApp. And then select on Settings. And select on Account. And then you can find the option Security Notifications. Select it and then scroll down and you can find the option Show Security Notification on this device. Just enable it. That's it. Fourth, I would like to show you how to enable two-step verification in your WhatsApp. And select on Settings. Right now select. And you can find the option to a step verification. Open it right now, they have the option to turn on if you just simply click on, turn on and then you can get a notification from your phone number. Just type here and you can simply enable it. That's it guys. Fifth, I would like to show you how to change WhatsApp phone number. And then select on Settings. Right now select on Account and then there have option Change Number. Simply select it and then select. Next and right now, first one, you just need to type your old phone number and second on type for new phone number and then simply select on Next and you can change your WhatsApp phone number very easily. That's it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.